Hi everyone, welcome to another Binance tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money on Binance Launchpad. Now, this video is going to be a complete guide, so even if you're a beginner on Binance, you understand everything you need to know about Binance Launchpad and how to make money from it after watching this video. Now, what is Binance Launchpad? Binance Launchpad is a token launch platform on Binance that allows Binance users to get early access to quality projects. And you also have the chance to get quality tokens for very cheap price on Binance. That's the definition of Binance Launchpad. Now I'm going to be showing you the whole process of how to use the Binance Launchpad and make money from it. And towards the end of this video, I'll be answering some questions that I think you guys might be having in mind about Binance Launchpad and even Binance Launchpool. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have BNB in your spot wallet on Binance, because that's the crypto you're going to be using to subscribe and also use to get the tokens on Binance Launchpad. So once you have BNB in your spot wallet, the next thing is to tap on Launchpad on the home screen of the Binance app. Now, as you can see where the arrow is pointing to, you can see where you have Launchpad, so you tap on Launchpad. Now, as you can see on the top of the screen, Binance Token Launch Platform. Buy or earn new tokens directly on Binance. And if you scroll down, you can see this coin or this token that is about to be launched, which is called Stepping. Now we're going to tap on it and see how we can make money from it on Binance Launchpad. So I'll tap on Stepping there. Now, as you can see on the top of the screen, time left until subscription starts is 2 days, 15 hours, 29 minutes. As at the time of recording this video, the time left until subscription starts is 2 days, 15 hours and 29 minutes. That in the next 2 days, 15 hours, 29 minutes, you can start subscribing to get this token on Binance Launchpad. Now, you can see the subscription timeline is going to show you the whole process of how to subscribe, how to get the tokens, and how to make money from this Binance Launchpad. Now, if you scroll down, you see that it has 4 stages. This is number 1, which is BNB holding calculation period. And if you scroll up, number 2 is subscription period. Number 3 is the calculation period, and number 4 is the final token distribution period. Now, I'm going to be explaining all of these to you guys in this video, so please, I want you to pay attention. Now, number 1, which is the BNB calculation period. As you can see, the date underneath is going to start on the 2nd of March 2022 at 1 a.m. Now, this period is when Binance will be calculating the BNB you have in your spot wallet, and that will determine the maximum amount of BNB you can subscribe for this project. Please listen again. This is the period that Binance will calculate all the BNB you have in your spot wallet, which will determine the maximum amount of BNB you can subscribe for this project. And as you can see, they started the calculation period on the 2nd of March 2022, and I'm recording this video on the 6th of March 2022. So they are still calculating the BNB. So from the 2nd of March till when the second stage will start, they will keep calculating all the BNB you have to determine the maximum amount of BNB you can subscribe for this project. And then as you can see here, the maximum commitment limit that I can subscribe is 0.2900 BNB. Now, the more BNB you have in your spot wallet, the more BNB you can use to subscribe. Now, that's the first stage. The second stage, if you scroll up, is the subscription period. Now, this will start on March 9, 2022 by 7 a.m. So after they've already calculated the BNB you have in your spot wallet, and then they've given you the maximum amount of BNB you can use to subscribe, then once it's 7 a.m. on the 9th of March 2022, you come to your Binance app and then you come here to subscribe to this project, and just take any amount of BNB you have or that you wish to stake for this project. And you must do that between 7 a.m. and the time which the third stage will start. Now, as you can see, the third stage is the calculation period, which will start by 10 a.m. that same day on the 9th of March 2022. So that means you must have subscribed to this project between 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the 9th of March 2022, which means if you don't subscribe within that period, you have missed out on this project. You have missed out on it. So after you subscribe to this project and then it's 10 a.m. so Binance will start calculating the number of BNB each person will receive based on the BNB you've used to subscribe to this project. Remember, the more BNB you use to subscribe, the more token you are going to get. So that's the third stage, which is the calculation stage. Now, the fourth stage and the final stage is the final token distribution, which will happen by 11 a.m. that same day on the 9th of March 2022. So you can see that Binance Launchpad, everything is happening on the same day. The subscription period, calculation period, final token distribution, everything is happening on the same day. So by 11 a.m. that day, Binance will start distributing all the tokens to each person that has subscribed to this project. And once the token is distributed to everyone, you will see yours in your spot wallet, including the BNB that you have used to subscribe or that you have staked. You will see it in your spot wallet. And once trading starts for the crypto or for the token, you can also trade it, or maybe you can convert it to any other crypto of your choice. So that is how you can use the Binance Launchpad to subscribe and get free tokens and make money on Binance. Now I know you might be having some questions you want to ask. I'll be answering some questions right now, so make sure you listen attentively. And if I don't answer any of the questions you have in mind, please drop the questions in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be answering every question I get. Now before I even go to the questions, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and please like this video so that more people can see this video and learn from it. Now the first question I'm going to be answering is, how do I get my rewards after the token has been distributed? Now the token will be in your spot wallet. You don't need to do anything, or maybe go to Binance and type something or press something. No, the token will be distributed directly to your spot wallet, including the BNB that you used to subscribe. That's the answer to that question. Now the second question is, will my BNB be deducted? Now the BNB which you have used to subscribe, a little amount of BNB will be deducted from that BNB. A little, very little amount of BNB will be deducted. Now the third question is, why is my BNB deducted? Because I know a lot of people want to ask, okay, why are they deducting my BNB? Now the reason is because I said at the beginning, Binance Launchpad allows you to get tokens at a very, very cheap price and at the early stage. So they are selling it to you at the very, very, very cheap price. So the BNB they are even deducting from your BNB is very, very little, like very, very, very little. If you've done BNB Launchpad before, you know what I'm talking about. Now the fourth question is it profitable or advisable to do the Binance Launchpad? Yes, it is profitable and it is advisable. Now I once subscribed to a Binance Launchpad project and I got 40 times what I subscribed with on the Binance Launchpad, which means that you can make a lot more money than what you used to subscribe to that project. So it is very, very profitable and it is very, very advisable. And the thing is that once you subscribe and you get that token, you can convert it back to BNB. And once you convert it back to BNB, you will see that the amount of BNB that was deducted is even far, far, far lower than what you are getting. So that means you are getting like a lot more BNB in your wallet. So it is very, very advisable to do the Binance Launchpad. Now the last question is, what is the difference between Binance Launchpad and Binance Launch Pool? Now I made a full video about how to make money on Binance Launch Pool. I'll put the link to that video in the description of this video. Now in that video you will learn about Binance Launch Pool and the differences between Binance Launch Pool and Binance Launchpad. So tap on the video that will appear immediately at the end of this video to watch that video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.